Scout GPS Link using TurnStream Maps. Scout GPS Link is a navigation app powered by your smartphone and data plan that provides turn-by-turn directions on the display audio screen. You control Scout GPS Link using the touchpad and can search for destinations by using the touchpad or voice command button on the steering wheel. To use TurnStream, ensure you're connected to the car via Bluetooth. From Scout GPS Link, you have the option to search by location or contact. You can either use the keyboard to type an address or use the voice command switch and speak the address.
Say an address or the name of a point of interest.
Find airports. The system may display a list of address options.
Say the list number of the one you want. Say next page for more items.
Number 1. Then the system will show a list of details and options.
Showing details for Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport, DFW. You can say call, go there or add to favorites.
Go there. When using Nearby, the system will populate a list of categories and find the nearest location to you. You can search for restaurants, gas, or other categories from this list. The system may display a list of address options. Select one. The system will display the details screen and an overview of the route. If More populates, you can view more information by selecting it. You can save a location to your favorites, view other routes. Selecting the X will close the window. To begin navigation, select Go. From here, you can view a list of TurnStream instructions and the current turn. Highlighting and selecting the frame will repeat the instruction. Above is the destination detail bar. It displays the time and distance to the location in miles and minutes. Selecting it shows the address and gives you more options. Click it again to return to the current turn. Below, you can select X to cancel route guidance, mute the route guidance audio, or call the location if the number is available. When canceling route guidance, select Yes to confirm. A blue Resume bar will be displayed at the bottom of the screen. Choosing it will resume route guidance, or the X will clear the information. Favorites will display destinations you've saved, listing them in alphabetical order. Below the search options, you can add your home or work address to the system. And once set, you can quickly use the touchpad to select work or home. Selecting the gear icon in the top right-hand corner, you can access the settings. Here you can add home and work addresses, change the screen display to automatic, daytime, or nighttime, and clear recents and favorites list. Select the X to return to the previous screen. For more information, you can check out the other helpful Lexus how-to videos, or go to lexusdrivers.com and select Videos under the Resource tab, then search for a topic. If your vehicle is equipped with navigation, reference your technology quick guide that came with your vehicle. We're here to help. Contact your Lexus dealer to speak with a Lexus technology specialist, or contact Lexus Customer Satisfaction at 800-255-3987.